I gotta be real. It felt like stepping into a side quest nobody else noticed. And boom, the rewards were wild. Like finding a secret guide tucked away from the mainstream crowd. Want to know exactly what I did? Don't go anywhere. I'm about to spill everything. At the beginning, I made every classic mistake in the book. I bought into meme coins that were trending, looked cool, and promised huge gains. And like clockwork, they vanished not long after. I'd open my wallet, shake my head, and just laugh at how bad it was. But eventually I wised up. I found a method that wasn't flashy or overhyped, but it actually worked if I stuck with it daily. No shortcuts, no secret groups, just a plan that paid off with consistency. I kept running it day after day. The outcome? Unreal. I flipped from taking losses constantly to scoring 10 times wins often. That shift brought in the kind of peace I never had in crypto, and I'm going to walk you through the whole journey step by step. But before we dive into the walkthrough, I need to hit pause for just a second and talk about something important. I know you're probably pumped to get started, but what I'm about to share could save you a lot of trouble down the road. Pump Fun might look super simple on the surface, and to be fair, it's made to feel that way. But don't be fooled by the clean layout. There's some deeper stuff happening behind the scenes that can catch you off guard. So hang tight while we break it down real quick before jumping into the main tutorial. Hop into Photon and toggle the Pump Fun filter. The screen will light up with a constant wave of fresh tokens. It's seriously non-stop. But here's the thing. Just because they're popping up fast doesn't mean they're solid. Most of them tank just as fast. When launching a coin takes almost no effort, you get tons of half-baked projects that barely stay alive. Now go ahead and change the filter to Raydium. Pause for a sec and you'll spot the shift right away. Everything here feels more polished and thought out. New tokens drop once a minute or so, keeping the platform organized and easy to follow. That steady pace means better liquidity, legit volume, and market caps that actually hold. Raydium's where the serious builds happen. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how to work it. It honestly surprises me how smooth this has gotten. Launch Tool completely removed the tech stress and made launching a token dead simple. You don't have to know code or even be good with computers. If you can post a selfie, you're already way ahead. Raydium guides you through it step by step, no guesswork. I've gone through it a bunch of times and it keeps getting faster and cleaner. Alright, time to tackle the logo part. I made mine using Canva. Not shocking, it's hands down the simplest tool for stuff like this. Lately, I've been diving into The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time, and man, it's still a classic. While browsing around online, I found this image of Link, so that's what I'll use to inspire my coin. After your image loads, double-check that it's exactly 128 by 128 pixels. No bigger, no smaller. If you notice any rough edges or if it's a little fuzzy, no worries. Just tweak it until it looks right. Once it's clean and clear, hit download and we'll move on. Let's jump right in. Fire up Launch Tool and sync your Phantom wallet. This only takes a few seconds. When the setup screen appears, go ahead and fill in LinkCoin as your token's name and link for the symbol. You can toss in a short description to give it some character, but I'm leaving it blank this time around. Add the logo you built on Canva. Once it all looks clean and good to go, hit that next button and let's move ahead. At this stage, don't make any changes to the decimals or the total supply numbers. Those have already been locked in to make sure things run without issues. The system will automatically run a check and handle all the verification for you behind the scenes. You don't need to lift a finger. As soon as everything finishes processing, hit that next button and we'll move right into the next phase. To verify your token, you'll need to pay 0.1 Solana, but it's totally up to you whether you want to do that or not. Personally, I like to keep my Solana safe and just skip this part altogether. There's no need to spend any coins if you don't feel like it. Just tap skip and move on without stress. Including your social media links could give your token a little more shine, especially if you have followers or a community around you. But if that's not your thing, don't sweat it. It's optional. The backend work is done by Raydium, so just click skip and keep going without any complications. Okay, don't even think about tweaking those final settings. Avoiding the 0.3 Solana fee might seem tempting, but investors will pick up on it and get suspicious quickly. Keeping the freeze, mint, and update features locked is key. It tells everyone you're serious. Without these, trust won't build. So make sure those are secured and go ahead with Launch My Token Now confidently. Take a moment here and don't speed past this part. When your wallet shows the confirmation, accept it right away, even if some typical security warnings pop up. That's expected. Once the process is finished, your token will be live and active on the blockchain. Go take a peek on SolScan. Your token is officially up and running on the Solana blockchain. You'll spot no issues, no alerts, and zero red flags. It's clear proof your token exists and is working right. Next step, locking liquidity. Open Launch Tool and press Create Liquidity Pool. From there, you'll land on Raydium, where you can build your pool and begin chasing those profits. Alright, now it's time to drop your MemeCoin into the market. First, grab the contract address from Launch Tool. Then, go to Raydium and paste it into the user token box. For the symbol, put in link, and type LinkCoin as the full name. Make sure you hit Add User Token so Raydium can recognize your coin. When adding liquidity, if your total supply is 1 billion tokens, aim to deposit about 900 million tokens plus some Solana. Keeping that balance right is key for smooth trading and a healthy token over time. When you're ready to add liquidity, hit max on your Solana balance to use all you've got. But don't confirm just yet. Lower that amount by 0.2 Solana so you've got enough left for network fees. Skipping this step can freeze your transaction, so always set a little aside. After that, set your token fee to 2%. This fee hits the sweet spot. It pulls in buyers without scaring them off, helping your token grow steadily and keep fresh interest coming. Just one more step. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool to set things in motion. When the confirmation window comes up, open your Phantom wallet and approve the deal. Wait a few seconds for it to process. And there you go. Your token is officially live on Solana. No problems, no wait. You just launched a completely new token from nothing. Fire up Photon and verify the Raydium filter is switched on. That's the key to your token showing up properly. Give it a few seconds to refresh the page. Your MemeCoin will be visible any moment now. When it does, you've got your confirmation that it's live and ready to trade. Return to Launch Tool and make sure you grab the entire contract address for your token without leaving anything out. Next, open DEX Screener and choose any token chart to begin. Swap the contract address in the URL with yours and hit enter. Your token's live chart should pop up right away. Alternatively, you can simply search your token's name in the search bar. Look at the chart and you'll notice some rapid activity immediately. Those sharp price jumps are often bots hopping in and out fast to grab quick wins. It's totally normal for new tokens to have this kind of volatility, so don't stress if it feels wild at the start. You might even benefit from it. Jumping in right when the token launches gives you a solid edge. The early buzz makes trading smoother. Being among the first means you dodge the usual headaches latecomers deal with. After that, you can kick back and watch your investment grow without stressing over every move. It's been 29 minutes since we set up the liquidity, and in that short time, we've seen several solid payouts with really decent numbers. This is exactly the kind of outcome we're aiming for in this process. By the way, if you check out the chart, both the market cap and liquidity are holding strong and clearly visible. Now, it's just about giving it a bit more time. Just now, we received a $41 payout. That's in addition to everything we've already made so far. It's been just 33 minutes since the liquidity was added. Market cap and liquidity are holding strong, and the chart reflects that clearly. But for the moment, we're done here. The task is complete. Now I'll show you, step by step, how to move your money into your wallet without breaking a sweat. First up, connect your wallet to Raydium. Make sure it's the same one you use to create your token. This part's quick and easy. Head over to the Portfolio section and pick the Standard tab to find your tokens. If they don't show up right away, give it about 10 to 15 minutes because there's sometimes a slight delay after adding liquidity. Once your tokens appear, hit the minus button to withdraw everything. Choose Solana as the token to get back. Click Remove Liquidity, approve the transaction in your wallet, and that's it. The confirmation popped up showing your liquidity transfer went through. Go check your wallet to make sure your new balance is showing up as expected. It's all dialed in perfectly, and the profits are showing up. This strategy keeps delivering reliable returns. Since the market's getting hotter, now's a good time to get involved if you want. And you can run through the whole routine again whenever you feel like it. Things are picking up speed. Everything's running smoothly, and if you stay consistent, there's a lot of room to grow. Just so you know, none of this is sponsored. I don't get paid by Launch Tool, Photon, or Raydium. I'm just sharing what's worked well for me. Check the description or pinned comment for all the details.